Hi, Gizmoguy here. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to connect your iPhone to your car stereo without Bluetooth or an aux input. I will be using this gadget from iPhonefmtransmitter.com. iPhonefmtransmitter.com. This gadget will broadcast all your sound from your iPhone through your car speakers wirelessly. Let me show you how it's done. You simply set your car radio and use this gadget and select the thing that you want to listen to. So in this case, we'll go to audible.com, and you can hear that right now the radio preset is set to 87.9, which matches the transmitter. And right now you can hear there's nothing but static. That's because we haven't plugged this thing in yet. So we plug it in, hit play.
Second interest is people. How to understand and get along with people. How to make people.
You can hear that the sound's coming out loud and clear, and this is done without a wire.
The committee conducting this survey resolved to conduct such a course for adults.
Now we can go to NPR.
From NPR News in Washington, I'm Jack Speer. Federal investigators have found no evidence to support civil rights charges against the Ferguson police officer.
So this is how you can easily connect your iPhone onto your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. You simply plug in this gadget from iPhonefmtransmitter.com. iPhonefmtransmitter.com. Simply plug in this gadget onto your phone and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. Thank you.